when he start to kick or something, when I see my legs is free, it's easy. It's easy to work because legs is completely free. But if tension comes, usually people start to work like that. Tension comes, right? And you start to prepare yourself, cover yourself. It means in a way like start to be afraid a little bit. And when the moment comes, it's easy to. I'm gonna break it. Okay, let's try now. Just with hands, guys. When he start to hit, right? You start to sit like that. Is good to escape a little bit, make a movement, and put him down. So it's up to you how you will work, but try to control both legs. Oops, sorry. Bonus. Another bonus. It's up to you. It's arms is good too. Escape. Soft. Stay soft, I'm talking about. Try.